Live.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Today is live number 75 of the Adapt and Create series that we started during the pandemic last year, and as promised, 75th is the last episode of this particular series, Adapt and Create. We will continue to go live with products and we will come up with something new, but today is the 75th and the last session of Adapt and Create series. I would like to start the live session by telling how this came up. Last year when everything was closed in the month of March and April, like everyone else, we were also puzzled as to how to run the business, how to go about selling the products online. We of course had huge inventory at our studio which was closed for about 45 days. So what we did is we actually went live from our Instagram, Facebook handles, and we kept requesting a lot of you all that please go ahead and buy our products, because if you didn't buy our products at that time, probably you would have to close the business or go back probably 10 steps and restart the business. But I'm ever grateful to everybody who has ordered in that time, because we closed I think on 24th or 25th of March last year in 2020, and we opened as e-commerce company on 9th of May. So for whatever time we were closed last year, around 40-45 days, we got more than 400 orders in those 40 days. There was not a single day when we did not receive order, and all thanks to you that we actually opened the studio and actually went there and started working immediately, because we had more than 400 orders to pack for you all. At the same time, in the month of May, Mr. Ratan Tata had posted on his Instagram account. He, I think, had joined the Instagram account just a few months back at that time, and we at Adya were following him. And he had made a very interesting post about COVID, about pandemic, about all the businesses suffering during the pandemic, and he had said that we as business owners, he of course owns so many businesses that they are at such a big scale, but I think there was something very important for every entrepreneur, every business person to take from his post. He had said that these are such times that nobody has ever pretended, even never actually expected, nobody ever kind of thought that everything will come to halt. It was like some movie that was happening to all of us, and he said in all of this, what we need to do is we need to adapt to this particular time and keep creating what we create usually. And I think that was a very good takeaway for every business person, and that is when we decided that every day we will go live with few products from the studio, from the old studio, and we would call this series as Adapt and Create. And in this series we would not just talk about the products, but at Adya, as you all know, I do not come from I do not have a professional course in jewelry designing or anything related to jewelry. So I have learned everything on the job. So whatever little my learnings are, or whatever little knowledge I have gathered about precious stones, semi-precious stones, techniques of silver jewelry making, so we wanted to share all of that, and the research and the study that we put in to kind of create and come up with the jewelry making process, and a lot of things allied to this entire venture was something that we wanted to capture in that Adapt and Create series. And as much as it was a technical or a retail oriented live session, it was a very emotional journey since last year, because we started this in the month where nobody had an idea that when everything is going to open up, when are the businesses going to be back on track, when will the shipping start. Nobody had any clue about anything, and we still were kind of struggling to operate. And I'm thankful that we had an e-commerce presence so that we could actually ship your orders. We were also personally delivering orders in Pune. We were driving throughout Pune and delivering orders in Pune also. So cutting the long story short, Adapt and Create came up at a time when we really needed it, and it kind of just happened. We went with the flow, and all thanks to you and your response to each and every live session, we've come a long way. But I think it is also important to kind of close it at the right time, and so this one, the 75th session of Adapt and Create series, the last session of this particular series. We will continue with new products. I will always go live, I'll always talk about the product, but maybe we'll come up with something new. Thank you so much for being part of the entire journey of Adapt and Create. This one here is a collection that we made immediately after this lockdown opened up. This one, the 5-month lockdown since March, that just came on us without, we were not expecting anything like this, and everything suddenly closed, including the e-commerce. So this collection was conceived at that time. We started making it. It's a completely new collection, considering that we are known for the oxidized silver jewelry that we make. So to begin with, this collection is not oxidized. We have not polished it. It is in the original silver finish. It's very raw. It's hammered. It's hand hammered, and we've created different small patterns with small hammers on the jewelry. It's very dainty, and as I had suggested in the last live session, 73rd, that we are launching a collection called Little Nothings. So this entire collection is part of Little Nothings. As you can see, these are small sized necklaces, rings and earrings, all made with silver wire and small hammers. So yeah, let's maybe start with the earrings. So we have come up with around 20 designs in the earrings. There are small sized earrings, medium sized earrings. There is no big size earring, as we wanted to keep the collection completely dainty. I will probably wear one of two of those, and yeah. So let me start with this one. These three are hammered patterns. I am going to hold them in my hand, and maybe you guys can
just at the right angle. Yeah,
is this right?
Yes, it's good.
So you can see the patterns on it. Very dainty, very light in weight earrings. So maybe I can wear one of those. It's absolutely up to you how you style these earrings. I think right from your casual t-shirts to sweatshirts to what I'm wearing right now, to probably a simple kurti, or even something like a little black dress, or a party wear also. Something like this would also look really nice on your party outfits. So it's a very statement earring. At the same time, it's very light in weight, very small. I'm also going to come down to the price range of these earrings. So for example, something like this is about 1600 rupees. Even this is 1600. These patterns are also really beautiful, the abstract ones. These are hammered and plus the silver wires. Something like this is about 800 rupees. Just basic shapes. Maybe I can just show the size of these shapes.
Yeah.
So this is like your everyday wear silver. You can wear it in water, you can wear it with perfumes, there is no maintenance to these, because we have not really polished them, we have not really kept them as raw as possible. Something like this is also a statement earring. Is that another one?
Yes. Can I put it on the hand so that we can show the hammering pattern?
Yes. So the hammering is very interesting. So this is hammering from both the sides.
Yeah, this is tilted both ways.
So the reason why we have not polished these earrings is because the entire glitz that comes, or the dimension that comes to these earrings, is because of the hammering pattern, and that is the reason we have not polished it. If you polish it, it will again look like plain white. So that is the reason we haven't polished it. So this is the tray. If anybody wants to know specific price of any of the designs, we will help them with the price, but the range is approximately 800 rupees to close to about 2800 rupees. That's the range. These are also really beautiful earrings. This one is really pretty. This one here is again a very, very beautiful piece. This is 1800 rupees. This is again pretty piece. These two are completely abstract, but I think they are really cute pieces.
Probably this one you can pick up and show.
This one. So I'll just wear it and then you'll know these are abstract pieces.
Yeah.
So these are the earrings from the Hammered collection. We do have rings from that collection. So maybe I'll wear these. These are statement rings if you are fond of rings.
Just a little up.
Aisa karo?
Yeah.
Angle barabar?
Yes. Perfect.
So these are rings made from the Hammered collection. Most of them are 1800 rupees. One I think is 2100. This one. Otherwise most of them are 1800 rupees. This type na sagya?
Yes, yes.
मी लावून दाखवते छान दिसते.
Still it up. Yes. Good.
So these are the rings. And coming to the most favorite part of this collection are the necklaces. I have been actually wanting to create these kinds of necklaces for a long time, but I think it took us this collection to kind of launch these necklaces. These are extremely dainty. All of them are handmade and Hammered collection necklaces. So this one here is a pattern with wire bending and hammering. So this is the other one. I think I'll wear this one. This is a very interesting piece.
Switchboard.
This time?
Can you come a little on the grey side of it more?
Yeah. आम्ही कानातल्याचे जे थोडे
It's okay. Yeah, it's looking.
So this is a very, very interesting piece. The same shape we have just kind of filled it with hammerings, and then this is a plain piece here. So as you can see, this is just a plain simple sweatshirt on which also it looks really nice. If you style it really well with your white outfits, formal outfits, semi-casual outfits, it will look really, really interesting. The necklace prices actually I think I forgot to explain. This first one here is 6,000 rupees. The first one that we have shared with you with the pendant. The one that I'm wearing is also 6. This again is a beautiful piece. It's a 2-layered necklace. This is 6,000 again. This I think is also going to look extremely interesting. And this I think is going to be the most popular piece from my limited experience that I have, because of its, I don't know, this is like, this will be loved by everyone. I'm going to wear those two again because I think unless you see somebody wearing it, you won't really realize how they look. So this is... So as far as the earrings are concerned, earrings are already live on the website. You can directly buy them. The necklaces and rings will be live by 4 PM today.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask. If these are two different necklaces or one?
No,
So
this is single necklace. By its design, it's a single necklace. I think this also is very pretty. It will look very nice on a lot of
Absolutely.
dresses. What we will do this time is, for this Hammered collection, we internally, me and both my friends who do reels with me, we will style these necklaces and we'll post reels as to how to style these necklaces, so that, and this I think, this is one of those must-have necklaces, I think, which will go on almost everything in your wardrobe. Again, a very beautiful piece. So yes, so there are 4 necklaces part of this collection, around 20 earrings and rings, 7 of them. Rings and necklaces will go live today by 5. You can book them. They are made to order. They'll be ready by next weekend. And earrings are ready to ship. If you like the earrings, please place your orders. Another update that I wanted to give about the earring festival is that we were going to end the earring festival on 21st of September. But there was a small glitch on Facebook account and on the website as well. And that is the reason we've extended the earring festival up to 25th of September. Today we are on 22nd, so it is there for 3 more days. The last 4 days offer is that all the earrings are on flat 5% off. So if you like anything from these earrings, which is from the new collection, then also you're going to get 5% off on the website. So please place your orders on the website and get 5% off on any of the earrings that you like. Another update that I wanted to give is if you want to get something customized, or something which is that you want to order in bulk for Diwali gifts, right now is the right time to place your orders, because we are on September end, so we get a month and probably 10 days to process your order. Anything that is placed after 15th October or 20th October, there is no possibility for us to manufacture anything in bulk at that time. So if you're planning any Diwali gifts from the existing items that we have, right now is the right time to plan for it and place your orders. We have again started working on the Akshar series. Akshar series is the calligraphic rings, necklaces, brooches we make based on your stories. You can write to us at sales@arya.com about your Akshar inquiries, and we process your orders. That was another update. One positive update is that we might get our international shipping in place by October 15th. There's a possibility that everything is working out, and then we'll start shipping internationally too. So fingers crossed that we can ship a few orders for Diwali outside India. Yeah. So these are the updates that I wanted to give. The earring festival is not just extended on the website, it is also extended at the studio. We are open all days 10 to 8. You can definitely drop in at the studio for the earrings festival. Any queries about anything?
Not as such.
Nothing? You want to scroll and check once? No?
Checking.
Checking, no?
Yes.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much for always encouraging us with all our new experiments, and this was live number 75 and the last session of Adapt and Create series. We'll soon be back with something new, some new series or some new live sessions. Till then, please keep talking to us on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Your feedback about the products, your feedback about the shipping, packaging, everything is taken care of. It matters. We take that input and kind of try to work on everything that you suggest on the page. There are 2-3 generic things that I would like to actually address, because a lot of people see Adapt and Create live sessions even later. There are a lot of comments on almost all the product photos that we put which ask for prices. We try to reply back in everyone's inbox nowadays, because what happens is you get a direct link to click on the product. Unfortunately, Instagram has not enabled the shop feature for us as of now. So we cannot really tag the products from the website, and that is the reason we reply in your inbox. If yours is a private account, you will not directly get those messages in your inbox directly. It is part of your message requests that you have on the right hand side. So if you've asked for a price and if you have not received the reply, it will be there in that requests. If we have missed your message by chance, it is only a human error, because 2-3 people handle the Instagram account, so somebody might have missed your message. Please WhatsApp us, or please directly call on the helpline and ask for the price. Yeah, so that is the generic query that I really wanted to address. If you see our bio on Instagram, you will see a link which will take you to the shop link of our website, which will show you all the latest products that we have launched. So today evening after 5, if you check the shop link that you see in the bio, you will see these 4 necklaces and the rings which have been displayed right now. Yeah, so that's it. I think I just wanted to address those 2 queries. Thank you for joining in the live session, and see you really soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.